Hi everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another video on how to play Bigo Live Games. If you'd like to broadcast games on Bigo Live, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open Bigo Live application from the app drawer. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you are from the home page of Bigo Live, tap on the round icon in the middle of the screen at the bottom. Now this will take you to multi-guest live option. Swipe towards the left side and make sure you are inside the game live option. Now, you can add a title if you'd like to chat while broadcasting your game. Tap on the Add a Title to Chat button at the top and simply type in the title for your game. Now, tap on this link right here in order to choose a game. Once you do that, from the list of the games that are appearing on the display, select anyone that you'd like to stream. Once you make your selection, tap on Go Live at the bottom. Start your broadcasting or recording with Bigo Live by tapping on the Start Now button at the bottom right. And that way you'll be able to play and broadcast game on Bigo Live. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.